Close your eyes. Picture this. 3,000 years ago, under a sky blazing with stars, a group of sages in ancient India gather around a sacred fire. They're not just priests, they're mathematicians, and what they're about to write will echo across millennia into the heart of black holes. But how? Let's journey back and forward into a mystery that's left modern scientists speechless. In 800 BCE, a man named Baudhayana wrote the Shulba Sutras, a manual for building fire altars. But these weren't just piles of bricks. These were precision machines. To please the gods, every angle, every length had to be perfect. And here's where it gets wild. Baudhayana wrote rules like, the diagonal of a square produces double the area. The Pythagorean theorem, 300 years before Pythagoras. But wait, how? Modern scholars like Kim Plofka, author of Mathematics in India, confirm these texts calculated the square root of 2 as 1.4142, a value so accurate it matches today's calculators. They even approximated pi as 3.088, using nothing but ropes and stakes. But why? Why did ancient priests need math this advanced, just to build altars? Unless it wasn't just about altars. One altar shape haunts historians, the falcon, built to carry offerings to heaven. But in 1985, astrophysicist Jean-Claude Pecker noticed something chilling. When you calculate the falcon altar's dimensions using the sutra's units, angulars, its area matches the formula for escape velocity, the speed needed to break free from gravity, to escape a black hole. Coincidence? Maybe. But here's the kicker. The Schwarzschild radius equation, the size of a black hole's event horizon, uses 2 gm over c squared. The number 2? It's everywhere in the sutras. A 2017 paper in Historia Mathematica even asked, were the sutras encoding cosmic constants? But the real shock came when someone found a letter. In 2001, a researcher at Cambridge University stumbled on a forgotten archive. Inside was a note from Stephen Hawking's early career, scribbled in the margin of a paper on black holes. 2 words. Shulba Sutras. No one knows why. Was he inspired? Skeptical? The note vanished, but the question remains. Did the greatest mind in physics see something we're missing? Even today, scholars fight over this. Subhash Kak, a computer scientist, claims the altars map star constellations. Others call it fantasy. But here's a fact you can't ignore. The fire rituals described in the sutras, where offerings vanish into smoke, mirror Hawking radiation, where black holes evaporate into energy. Both are transformations, sacrifices, bridges between worlds. But the most terrifying clue, it's not in the altars, it's in the ash. In 2020, chemists analyzed residue from a 2,500-year-old Vedic fire ritual. Buried in the ash, microscopic iron spheres, identical to those found in meteorites. Ancient texts say rituals summon divine energy. Could they have harnessed cosmic debris? Now, hold on. This is where science screams coincidence. But let me hit you with this. The same iron spheres are found near black hole accretion disks. A 2023 study in Astrophysical Journal Letters linked them to interstellar dust. So, did the sages unknowingly tap into a universal process? A cycle of creation and destruction older than the stars? Or did they know? So, here's the truth. We'll never know what the sages truly meant. Their knowledge was oral, whispered from guru to disciple, lost to time. But fragments remain, like the work of Srinivasa Ramanujan, the 20th century math genius who claimed formulas came to him in dreams from a Hindu goddess. His equations now decode black hole entropy. A 2019 paper in Physical Review Letters proved it. Ramanujan's Mach theta functions, rooted in India's ancient math, solve quantum puzzles about black holes. The thread from fire altars to Einstein? It's real. We've only decrypted 10% of the sutras. What if the rest holds the key to dark matter, or a universe beyond ours? Which brings us to the final question. Oh, were the Shulba Sutras a divine gift? A fluke? Or proof that humanity once spoke a universal language, a blend of math, myth, and mystery that we're now struggling to relearn? If this gave you chills, share it, tag someone who loves secrets, and subscribe, because next week, we're diving into a 4,000-year-old Hindu text that describes multiverses. Until then, remember, the past isn't dead. It's waiting for us to listen.